The highly anticipated Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds have arrived, and they do not disappoint with their powerful active noise cancellation and wide range of customization options. These headphones are, without a question, the best option for those with Android phones. It will be difficult, though, to win over iPhone users who are attached to their AirPods, so that you can find the best earbuds for your needs and budget. Let's take a close look at the WF-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Without further ado, then, let us get started.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta NT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box. And I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
Starting with the design, Sony and Apple have taken different design approaches with their earbuds. The Sony WF-1000XM5 showcases a classic rounded shape, whereas the AirPods Pro to continue with the signature style of having stems. Now, unlike the predecessor, the WF-1000XM4, which received mixed reviews on comfort, WF-1000XM5 has made noticeable improvements, leading to a more comfortable fit for many users. Sony's earbuds feature a sleek and contour design, providing a slimmer profile compared to the AirPods Pro 2 with their iconic stem, while the WF-1000XM5 earbuds are slightly heavier at 6 grams each, as opposed to the AirPods Pro 2's 5.3 grams weight per bud. Apple's design makes them more manageable and less prone to fumbling during handling. Both companies include 4 sets of ear tips in various sizes, extra small, small, medium, and large, to ensure a personalized fit for users. Sony goes a step further with the WF-1000XM5 offering a redesigned memory foam ear tip that are easier to squeeze and fit, enhancing comfort and noise isolation. On the other hand, Apple supplies silicone ear tips with the AirPods Pro 2, which might not block out as much ambient noise as the memory foam tips provided by Sony. When it comes to sound quality, the Sony WF-1000XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro 2 offers similar performance, but the AirPods Pro 2 tend to align more closely with the general headphone preference curve. This means that most people will likely prefer the way the AirPods Pro 2 sound out of the box, compared to the default tuning of the WF-1000XM5. Though it's essential to have a trained ear to distinguish the nuances between these two earbuds, both deliver impressive audio quality, but the WF-1000XM5 may reveal a slightly boosted bass, which could be noticeable to some listeners. One significant advantage of the WF-1000XM5 lies in Sony's in-app custom EQ feature. This allows you to personalize the sound according to your preferences, enabling you to fine-tune the audio to your liking. On the other hand, with the AirPods Pro 2, you're limited to Apple's tuning and adaptive EQ technology. The adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the bass and mid-range frequencies in real time, ensuring consistent sound quality across various listening situations. Both the Sony XM5 and the Apple AirPods Pro to utilize Bluetooth 5.3 for the wireless connections, ensuring a reliable and efficient pairing process. Additionally, they both support Bluetooth LE audio, which enables low-latency streaming from compatible source devices, ideal for enjoying content without having any kind of audio delay. When it comes to audio streaming, the WF-1000XM5 offers a broader range of Bluetooth codecs including SBC, AAC, and LDAC. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 are equipped with SBC and AAC codecs only. The Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds employ a dedicated setup of 2 processors and 6 microphones solely for noise cancellation. Similarly, Apple AirPods Pro 2 also boasts a 6-microphone array with their H2 chip aimed at achieving an effective level of ANC. If you prioritize superior sub-bass frequency cancellation, Sony's buds are hard the way to go. However, when it comes to reducing frequencies from 150 Hz to 1 kHz, the AirPods Pro 2 exhibit an edge, offering up to 15 decibels more noise compared to Sony's earbuds. The AirPods Pro 2 effectively sounds as the noise from bursting urban environments like the sound of trains and buses. The ear tips of both earbuds provide excellent noise isolation, blocking out ambient noises. However, the memory foam tips on the WF-1000XM5 take it a step further, practically muting such disturbances. Moreover, Sony's implementation of mesh covering on each earbud significantly improves ANC performance, specifically in windy conditions. This feature becomes particularly advantageous during outdoor activities like walking or running. Sony claimed that the WF-1000XM5 can provide an impressive 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, with a total losing time extending up to 24 hours when you consider the additional power available from the charging case. This is the same duration offered by its predecessor, the WF-1000XM4. In comparison, the AirPods Pro 2 offer up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge. However, their charging case allows for an extended listening experience, providing a total of up to 30 hours. The Sony WF-1000XM5 is priced at $299 and is available in 2 color options, black and silver. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 2 comes with a price tag of $249. So, you'll have the AirPods Pro 2 an affordable price point compared to the WF-1000XM5. We think this is not bad considering the features we'll get. In short, for Android phone use with the Sony Apple WF-1000XM5, it'd be the preferred choice over the AirPods Pro 2. Sony has made significant improvements to enhance the comfort of the WF-1000XM5 compared to its predecessor, the WF-1000XM4. And the new buds now stand toe-to-toe with the AirPods Pro 2 in terms of performance. But for iPhone owners exclusively, the decision becomes a bit more challenging, as WF-1000XM5 delivers comparable ANC and sound quality to the AirPods Pro 2. While both options would be solid choices, Android users can take full advantage of the WF-1000XM5's extended feature set, giving them an edge in terms of functionality and customization. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.